if you want to download your account data from Uber, follow these simple steps to ensure you have all your information securely saved. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy option. Tap on it to find various privacy-related features, including data management. Step 4. Request your data. Under the Privacy section, find the option that says Download your data or Request data. Follow the prompts to request a copy of your account data. You may need to confirm your identity. Step 5. Check your email. After submitting your request, check the email associated with your Uber account. You will receive a link to download your data once it is ready, which may take some time. Now you have successfully downloaded your account data from Uber. Make sure to keep this information secure and review it as needed.